Hi, I'm Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to show you a method for taking care of external hemorrhoids using herbs. So we need to get together a number of ingredients before we start. We're going to want to get some fresh sage, some yarrow, some horse chestnut, and some melon leaf, boiling water, and of course we're going to need a toilet. So one of the options that we have if we don't want to make a large mess is something that's pre-made rectal suppository that has a number of these herbs in it with cocoa butter, which are much easier to use. And also you can use both of them together. So the first thing that we want to do is combine these ingredients together, approximately 1 handful of each one of the herbs, and place them into the jar. Then we're going to pour about 2 cups of boiling water over the top of those, place them in the toilet, and then we want to actually sit on the toilet exposing the hemorrhoids so that the steam that rises up with all of those nice essential oils from the herbs actually soothe and calm that very unpleasant hemorrhoid that you might have. So although hemorrhoids are fairly common, they're usually caused by poor diet due to constipation from straining. So one of the best ways to prevent or to actually long-term get relief from your hemorrhoids is actually to improve your diet, drink plenty of water, and ensure that you have a gentle, easy bowel movement at least once a day. So if you do continue to have problems with the hemorrhoids, be sure to contact a trained professional, your MD or an herbalist or some other trained professional who can handle that. So remember, enjoy putting those herbs together. It will create actually quite a pleasant smell in your toilet and in your bathroom to suffuse your hemorrhoids with these very aromatic herbs to help soothe the burning and itching that oftentimes comes with an external hemorrhoid. So please enjoy your herbs and the great smells that you can create by creating this steam for your hemorrhoids.